In problem 27, we're asked to find 20% of 213.58. We can do that by multiplying 0.20 times 213.58. If we use our calculator to perform that multiplication, we get 42.716. And we want to round that to the nearest cent, so this is dollars and cents, so that's approximately equal to, the nearest cent is going to be here, this number 1 is in the place of cents, that's the hundredths place, but I'm going to look to the right, so the 6 is bigger than 5, so I'm going to round that to 42.72 or $42.72. 28, I'm going to convert 2.3 meters to centimeters. So I'm going to write out 2.3 meters equals a certain number of centimeters. And the unit that we want, which is centimeters, is smaller than meters. So if I look at my chart, it's actually too many squiggles there for the M. If I look at my metric chart, I have meters, then I have decimeters, then I have centimeters. So centimeters is smaller than meters by 2 places in the chart. Therefore, I'm going to multiply 2.3 times 100 to change from meters to centimeters. So that means that 2.3 meters is the same thing as 230 centimeters. Here, I'm going to convert 5 square yards to square feet. So I'm going to write it this way. I'm going to write 5, now square yards is yards times yards. And I'm going to convert each of those yards into feet. So it's 3 feet per 1 yard. So that's going to cancel the first unit of yards times 3 feet per 1 yard. That's going to cancel the second unit of yards. That means I have 5 times 3, which is 15, times 3, which is 45 square feet, because I have feet times feet. So 5 square yards then is equal to 45 square feet. I'm going to convert 2,356 millimeters to meters in problem 30. So I'm going to write 2,356 millimeters equals how many meters? Now the unit that I want, which is meters, is larger than the unit that I start with, millimeters, and it's larger by 3 places in the measurement table. So I have meters, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters. So I'm going from millimeters to meters, a smaller unit to a larger one, which means I'm going to divide by 1,000 or move the decimal 1 to 3 places to the left. That's 2.356 meters. So 2,356 millimeters is 2.356 meters. Problem 31, we're using the formula volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed to find the volume of a sphere with radius 3 inches, and we're using 3.14 for pi. So let's write in the values that we know from this problem. I have 4/3 pi, we're using 3.14. My radius, I was told, is 3, and that's cubed. So let's see how we're going to multiply that. First of all, I'm going to take my fraction and bring the numerator up to the other values that are in the numerator. So the 4 times 3.14, and then 3 cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So that becomes 27. Then I'm going to divide that result by 3. So if I multiply the numbers in the numerator, I get 339.12. If I divide that then by 3, I get a final result of 113.04. I need to include correct units, which would be cubic inches.